My name is Augusto Sarti. I'm the coordinator of the Master Program in Music and Acoustic Engineering of the Politecnico di Milano, a multidisciplinary program devoted to the design of technologies, systems, and environments for music. If you want to know more about the mission and the eligibility, please visit the website suono.polimi.it. The evolution of information society is strongly dependent on that of audio technologies. In order to be able to navigate in the multimedia sea of information that is available today, it is in fact necessary to use sophisticated algorithms of signal processing and a profound familiarity with machine intelligence, musical models, and perceptual models. Furthermore, our expectations of quality on the listening experience have grown significantly. This is confirmed by the fact that all large social media and big data enterprises and all the companies that produce smartphones and computer platforms are currently involved in the development of 3D audio applications. At the same time, there is an ever-growing need of acoustic comfort in workplaces, in public places, and at home. That's why we need a new generation of engineers, designers, and problem solvers that are able to adapt to ever-evolving scenarios with a strong propension towards creativity. Thanks to its long record of excellence in research and an enviable placement in world university rankings, the Politecnico di Milano is just about the perfect place for an international program of this sort. The Master Program in Music and Acoustic Engineering offers two didactic tracks: Acoustic Engineering and Music Engineering. Acoustic engineers are expert in vibrating and resonance systems. They design, for example, musical instruments and listening environments. They are experts of architectural acoustics and acoustic materials, and of passive and active techniques for noise reduction and control. This didactic track is offered in our Cremona campus, a place of great musical acoustic tradition. Here, students have the opportunity to collaborate with the International School of Violin Making, and they can also take courses offered by the Department of Musicology of the University of Pavia. There is a wide range of work opportunity for acoustic engineers. They are in fact highly sought after by companies that produce musical instruments or public address systems from amplifiers to loudspeakers to speaker units and arrays. They are needed in companies that produce microelectronic devices, sensors, and emitters. But there are also work opportunities in the public and private sectors of environmental and architectural acoustics. Music engineers design technologies and systems for capturing, analyzing, processing, rendering, managing, searching for, enriching, and accessing audio and musical information. They develop creative algorithms for applications of audio content search and personalization, for live performances, for artistic installations, for music production, and even more. This didactic track is offered at the Milano campus of the Politecnico di Milano, Milano Leonardo, where students can also select the most interesting and pertinent courses of the Master Program in Computer Science and Engineering, and those offered by the Music Conservatory of Milan. The professional figure of a music engineer is indeed new, and we are shaping it around the needs of the industry and of the information society at large. Long awaited by the industry, it offers numerous employment opportunities with music labels, recording studios, music distributors, broadcasters, advertisement companies, and streaming companies. Musical engineers are also highly sought after by companies that produce digital audio systems, both in the professional and in the consumer market. Music and acoustic engineering offers advanced didactic and research labs. In the musical acoustic labs, located in the premises of the prestigious Violin Museum of Cremona, students have the opportunity to learn about the most advanced techniques for the acoustic characterization of musical instruments and for the design of listening environments. The semi-anechoic room of the musical acoustic lab, for example, is routinely used for measuring radiation patterns of historical violins during a performance. In the same room, it is also possible to conduct perceptual listening tests in 3D immersive audio for the training of machine intelligent algorithms for the timbral characterization of musical instruments. In the Cremona campus, students also have access to the studio lab, an experimental recording studio for both didactic and research applications in the area of music production. We also have rich facilities in Milano, which are part of the Polimi Sound and Vibration Lab, including a certified anechoic chamber. Music and acoustic engineering offers over 140 credits devoted to science and technology for music and acoustics, without counting the numerous courses offered in Cremona by the Department of Musicology of the University of Pavia and those offered in Milan by the Music Conservatory. This makes our selection of courses the richest in the areas of audio and acoustics. But let's take a look at some of our courses. There are 2 computer music courses that teach how to design and implement mathematical models for music, perception, composition, and performance. Students meet artists in specialized workshops, and with them they work in collaborative projects. In addition, there is a very rich offer of courses devoted to audio and multimedia signal processing, covering foundation, sound analysis, synthesis and processing, spatial audio, virtual analog processing, computational acoustics, and more. There is a variety of courses devoted to acoustics, from fundamentals of acoustics and vibroacoustics to acoustics of musical instruments and of listening spaces. In addition, we have courses devoted to numerical modeling and simulation in acoustics, and to electronics and electroacoustics for sound engineering. There are 2 courses of creative programming and computing, which cover advanced coding, including live coding, and a wide variety of languages and platforms. Here, students learn how to develop all kinds of creative applications for interactive installations and live performances, in close contact with experts in the field. Finally, we have a course devoted to music production technologies with practical sessions that take place in celebrated recording studios under the guidance and supervision of the best music producers. Throughout the duration of the program, students are involved in collaborative projects that are coordinated across courses and channeled towards events of high visibility and relevance. A group of students, for example, recently developed a system that used the musical signals for automatically choreographing and controlling the stage lights for the Festivale in the UNESCO site of the Valley of the Temples in Sicily. Other student work groups collaborate with artists to develop innovative technologies for musical performances. Students are trained through dedicated internal hackathons and encouraged to participate to international technical and scientific competitions and challenges. A group of students, for example, recently won a prize at the Red Hackathon of the legendary Abbey Road Recording Studios in London. And we shouldn't forget the musical events that are organized by the Politecnico di Milano, in which students have the opportunities to test their projects in a live setting, not to mention musical skills. Master theses are developed under close supervision of world-class researchers of the Politecnico di Milano, or in the premises of the many partner companies of ours in Italy or abroad. Most of these theses are so innovative as to deserve publication in scientific international conferences. I'm sure I'm voicing not just my own opinion, but also that of all the faculty members of music and acoustic engineering when I say that I'm proud to be part of this community, made of professors and researchers that love what they do, and of proactive and enthusiastic students. Come and join us.